I now request our beloved principal, Professor S.V. Dinesh, to welcome the gathering.
I submit my respectful pranams to His Holiness Dr. Sri Sri Shivkumara Mahaswamigalu, Founder President, Siddhaganga Education Society, and Sri Sri Siddhalinga Mahaswamiji, our revered President, and seek their blessings to begin this welcome function for freshers of 2021-22 undergraduate students of SIT. Chief guest of this function, respected Sri Satish Ganta, Executive Vice President, Spiridian Technologies, Bangalore, respected Professor Channabasappa Sir, Director SIT, respected Sri T.K. Nanjundappa Sir, Honorable Secretary SSCS, respected Professor Shivkumar A. Sir, CEO SIT, newly admitted students and their parents, faculty and staff members, very good morning to all of you. Every year, SIT is organizing a grand welcome for first-year students, and it is our tradition that all our students are blessed by His Holiness on this occasion. This year, we are having this function in virtual mode due to COVID-19. We made a submission to our revered President, His Holiness Sri Sri Siddhalinga Swamiji, for His divine presence to preside over this function and for delivering benediction. His Holiness has the mammoth responsibility of running Sri Siddhaganga Mutt, that is, he has to look after the welfare of more than 10,000 rural poor children, the administration of more than 130 educational institutions. He is also a very busy personality attending public functions and religious activities. In spite of his busy schedule, Swamiji is kind enough to consent to our request and is present on this occasion for blessing all of us. I extend reverential welcome to His Holiness. During the welcome function for freshers, we invite corporate executives to address our students regarding the industry expectations in terms of skills and knowledge. This year, we invited respected Sri Satish Ganta, Executive Vice President, Head APAC, Spiridian Technologies, Bangalore. You all know that Spiridian Technologies is a global business and technology solutions provider, and this company is helping their clients in modernizing their businesses through digital transformation. Sri Satish Ganta consented our request, and he will be delivering the chief guest's address in virtual mode. I extend a cordial and warm welcome to respected Sri Satish Ganta. It gives me immense pleasure to extend hearty welcome to our director, respected Professor Channabasappa Sir, who will be addressing the oath to all the freshers. Hearty welcome to you, sir. We requested our Honorable Secretary, SSCS, Sri T.K. Nanjundappa Sir, to grace the occasion and to deliver elderly advice to all our students. He consented and present here. I extend a hearty welcome to you, sir. It gives me great pleasure to extend hearty welcome to our beloved CEO, Professor Shivkumar A. Sir, who will be addressing our students on this occasion. Hearty welcome to you, sir. I extend a hearty welcome to faculty and staff members who are attending this function in virtual mode. Hearty congratulations to all the first-year students and their proud parents who are attending this function in virtual mode for having chosen SIT for undergraduate studies. For parents, I would like to say, dear parents, SIT is led by spiritual leadership and has a rich tradition, and we have a Gurukul culture with us. We assure you that your ward is in safe and caring environment. Students' welfare is our top priority. We work closely with parents. We request you please be in constant touch with the proctor who will be allotted to your ward. Please do visit institute regularly to know the progress of your ward. For students, dear students, it is with hopes and aspirations, dreams and ambitions that you have joined SIT. At present, everything seems to be new for you. You have new classrooms, new teachers, new friends. You will be also exposed to new technology here. Let me tell you, SIT was established in the year 1963, and I would say it is a spreading tree of knowledge for decades. Presently, SIT is ranked among the top institutions in the country under National Institutional Ranking Framework of MHRD, Government of India, and in this ranking, we are competing with NITs and IITs. I am also happy to share with you, we are setting up AICTE Idea Lab for supporting students to work on product development. We are providing additional skilling programs starting from your batch. We also have a technology business incubation center for establishing startups. I'm also happy to tell you that the new education policy 2020 will be implemented starting from the academic year 2021-22. You will be a lucky batch. Also, more than 150 companies visit with offers soaring above over 950 for the current batch. So, in all, I would like to assure you, you have come to an institution which enables you to meet your career goals, to build your character, your discipline, and you will be an excellent human being during your course of 4 years stay here. Students, there are many activities in the campus. You can be part of them. And I do wish that each one of you will find your part in some of them. A couple of suggestions for the young students who have joined SIT. Please study well. Focus on what is the best for you in the long run. Second one, please choose your friends wisely. Seek out friends who will be willing to be part of the study group with you. Third one, there are many student clubs in the college. Please become a member of one or more clubs, which will certainly help you in all-round development. Please get involved in co-curricular and extracurricular activities, and also we have good sports facilities. Please make use of them. Also, one more appeal. Do visit Sri Siddhaganga Mutt to understand the social service the Mutt is rendering for the betterment of society, and do take part as a volunteer in some of the Mutt activities if you wish. Maybe we will help you how actually you can involve in the Mutt activities. We will certainly help you. Next, please get enough sleep, eat healthy food, and exercise regularly so that your body and your mind will work efficiently. Students, stay safe in the pandemic times, follow the COVID norms. In addition, you will be informed of the do's and don'ts on the campus. Please follow them. Lastly, I would say, anytime, any problem you face, we are there for you. Finally, I wish the best time of your life during the course of study here. Wish you all the God's best in your studies. Thank you all. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for welcoming the gathering and extending a bit of advice to the first year students and briefing about the facilities available in the institute.